1993 is when we started the program, and I think at that time the key concept was that manufacturing matters.
And manufacturing is essentially the backbone of every nation's development. To live well, a nation, must produce well.
If you know how to design, how to make things, then you can create many opportunities, not only for yourself, but for others.
Once they're involved in the program and they see what kinds of things go on in manufacturing today, people get very excited and very passionate.
I think manufacturing actually is much broader than what is being perceived in the public. If you take a much broader systems view, manufacturing means creating products, realizing the products. So I think the knowledge and the depth required in all processes, operations, as well as people aspect, I think can be quite broad and quite exciting.
The premise of establishing the program was that manufacturing is important to a vibrant economy. Clearly, the kinds of things that we're going to be manufacturing could change, but the fact that manufacturing will play a central role in our prosperity and economic well-being, I think, is critical.
But we have new areas, medical manufacturing, or nano manufacturing. We need to address, manufacturing issues in the renewable energy sector.
A lot of new types of systems have been designed and produced in the U.S. and of course the program evolves to bring in those kinds of ideas as well.
Two other changes were I saw over the years. So I think one is the need to integrate manufacturing with product development. So to be a manufacturing engineer, you have to be able to understand product design. Then on the back end, marketing and understand consumers. The other, I would say, evolution over the years is sustainability. So I think that has become more and more important. The newer generations of students are much more high level than at the beginning of the program we're interested in the process level improvements. Let's say if you get your degree in 1993, 1994, perhaps you get a job in a plant or in a manufacturing engineering setting here. Well, those type of jobs are still available, but today I think to be able to work globally, understand both language and culture and work in a very diverse setting, I think if you have those type of talent and capability, there are many, many jobs available.
I think some companies are starting to realize the importance of manufacturing and providing more leadership opportunities related to manufacturing. That probably was not true, a decade or two ago.
Manufacturing has evolved from craft production, mass production, customization, to, I would say, a phase of extreme customization, which is what we call personalization. And then you can start your own business, or you can design your own product. So that phase of open collaboration and personalization, I think, represent many opportunities. Now I think the auto industry is recovering. I think Michigan also has tried to diversify from just completely relying on automobiles. To be able to have a diverse set of industry, a diverse set of jobs is good. Still, Michigan is the center of automotive and manufacturing, so I think they will always be here. So I think having talent, have a strong engineering programs that support automotive manufacturing will help the state.
Everybody talks about the fact that we're in a knowledge economy, and I think that's very much true in manufacturing, where in the past, a lot of manufacturing engineers didn't have engineering training or degrees. Today, you really can't get away with that. So I think the manufacturing program at Michigan is very important in terms of preparing well-trained people in manufacturing that can be part of the future knowledge economy.
A workforce that is highly skilled, highly educated, and adaptable. So I think then the state will be in good hands, right? I mean, no matter how the world economy changes, and then we can adapt and respond to the changes. So I think that should be the future.
If you really want to change the world, come and study manufacturing at Michigan.
We'd like to get broader participation, more involvement from our alumni. First and foremost, they've gone through the program, and now they've been out, for a number of years, so they know what benefits they got from the program, and they do have, some really good ideas and on things that we could do to make the program better for our students.
We are always looking for student projects through internships or team projects. If you have opportunities to recruit some students for interns or for long-term employment, I think those are good examples.
In the past, most of our students have been sponsored by companies, and I think it would be good to have some fellowships to support students. So if alumni can talk to the leaderships in their companies, to consider, the possibility of making resources available for fellowships for this program, I think that would be very helpful.
Have a message to the people that you talk to and to people that you meet that manufacturing is important. Have politicians support manufacturing, have the public support manufacturing. On the program level, I think talk to the director, engage with our current students. I think all those are things that our alums can do.